In the corridors of South Africa's police headquarters, a battle is unfolding. On one side, National Commissioner Fannie Masemola. On the other, his deputy, Shadrack Sibiya. At stake, power, reputation, and the rule of law. In August 2025, Masemola served Sibiya with a suspension notice, citing allegations of misconduct linked to sensitive political killings investigations. But Sibiya claims this wasn't just discipline, it was a setup. According to the SAPS Disciplinary Regulations 2016, suspension isn't simple. It requires strict due process. Regulation 42A, the officer must be given written allegations. Regulation 42B, they must get 5 working days to respond. Regulation 42C, the employer must prove suspension is necessary to protect witnesses, evidence, or investigations. Regulation 42D, the decision must be in writing with clear reasons. These are not suggestions, they are legal requirements. Sibiya's lawyers argue that Masemola broke these very rules. Instead of the formal charges, Sibiya was told vaguely to take leave of absence. Instead of 5 days to respond, he was pushed out immediately. And instead of written reasons, he got silence. South African law demands every suspension pass 2 tests. Number 1, procedural fairness, were the rules followed? Number 2, substantive fairness, was there good cause? Time and again, courts have struck down unlawful suspensions, from MEC for Education versus Mgijima 2002 to SAPU versus National Commissioner 2005. Judges have ruled suspension cannot be punishment. It must be fair and it must be legal. If the High Court finds Masemola acted outside the rules, Sibiya could return to his post, and Masemola's authority will take a devastating blow. But if Masemola wins, it will cement his power and leave Sibiya branded as a man who tried and failed to fight the system. Either way, this is more than a personal feud. It is a test of accountability inside South Africa's most powerful security institution. The courtroom will decide who is right, but the bigger question remains: if due process can be ignored at the very top of the police, what does that mean for justice in South Africa? This has been AfroLinks. Subscribe for more stories that dig deeper into South Africa's biggest power struggles.